students, welcome to the part 6 of the chapter Transport in Plants. In this part again, under plant-water relations, we are going to discuss about the water potential. So let's have a look into the lecture. Transport in plants, we are undergoing plant-water relations and its water potential now. Water potential is the difference between the free energy of molecules of pure water and free energy of the solution. So it's just remember the difference between the free energy of molecules of pure water and the free energy of the solution is called water potential of the system. The water potential of pure water is maximum. Normal. The free energy will be maximum. Why? Free energy reduces whenever we start adding solutes in a pure water. The free energy will start to lower down. So that's why the water potential of pure water is maximum, because it has greater free energy and free energy is lowered down by the addition of solute. Water flows from higher water potential to lower water potential. So higher free energy, higher water potential means high free energy. Then how it's high free energy? Because it is having no solutes. So from high to low, because it is having solutes, so water will move from high water potential to the low water potential. Water potential is equal to dPd, but opposite in sign. Its value is negative. So I have a formula to demonstrate this. You can see psi W is the water potential is equal to the minus dPd. So it means dPd is minus. What does this equation shows? The dPd is minus? No. This is what some students get confused over here. Psi W is equal to the dPd, but it has to be in opposite sign. So if dPd has a value 4, then what will be psi W? Psi W will be minus 4. So minus of dPd. So this is the formula. It has following components: osmotic potential, pressure potential and metric potential, psi S, psi P, psi M. So what is osmotic potential? Osmotic pressure is also known as solute potential or osmotic potential. So I have explained you about the osmotic pressure in my previous lecture. Pressure potential, or also known as Turker potential, it is shown by positive sign. If a pressure greater than atmospheric pressure is applied to pure water or a solution, its water potential increases. Then comes metric potential. Metric is the term used for the surface, such as soil particles, cell walls, protoplasm, etc., to which water molecules are adsorbed. Okay, the process here is adsorption. Metric is the term used for the surface to which water molecules are adsorbed. So the metric potential is the component of water potential influenced by the presence of a matrix, and it has a negative value. Movement of water, you can see in this diagram, I am showing you how water moves across a selectively permeable membrane from a region of higher water potential to a region of lower water potential. From lower solute concentration, because the water potential is high, so solute is less. So solute concentration is lower to the solute concentration that is higher. High osmotic potential to lower osmotic potential. So once again I have given you 3 examples, 3 ways in which you can be asked the same question. Well students, this was all about the water potential. We have learned what is water potential. We have also learned that the value of water potential, that is psi W, is equal to the negative of dPd. We have also gone through the 3 types of water potential: osmotic potential, pressure potential and metric potential. Hope you have understood this completely. Now let's move on to the next part of this chapter.